How to activate Starlink account. Now, before you will activate or follow this method, make sure that you have prepare the kit number and all the details that you have from the Starlink router. So if you already downloaded the app, you can actually activate your Starlink account using your browser. So simply pull up your browser. Now in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And from your search bar, just simply type in activate Starlink. Now you should be able to see the very first result, which will take you out or redirect you to starlink.com/activate. So just simply tap on that, and this is going to be your Starlink activation page. So as you can see, you'll have to enter your Starlink identifier below for retail or third-party kit activations or unlocked kit for a transfer of service. So if you already have the specific kit number or maybe the serial number from the physical router, so you just have to input it here. Make sure that you follow all those necessary informations from the box or from the router before you click or tap on activate. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can activate your Starlink account.